And welcome back to the channel. And yes, I have a 65-inch new TV that I purchased myself. Now, from what I understand, this came out about 3 years ago, 2023, I believe. And I paid just over £500 for it. Brand spanking new on Amazon. Link in the video description below. I will stick the link down there, and I will stick on the screen the actual model number in case you want to check it out yourself. So it's a QLED, it's the E7 series. Like I said, I will stick the actual numbers up there because it's quite a long number. And yeah, it's just turned up. Now, it did say it comes with some options. You know, they can take the packaging away, they can assemble it onto a wall, providing you provide the brackets and stuff like that. You know, or they can set it up for you. So I went for putting it on the wall. I didn't want it on the wall, but they turned up and I said, no, I don't want it on the wall. I just want it like that. Oh, do you want us to take the packaging away? No, no, just leave it. I thought I can do a little video on this. So that's what we are doing, a little video on this little baby. So I'm going to move the actual camera, that one. I'm going to point it down a bit because you can't see it properly. You can only see me. And we're going to do an unboxing. It does give you some instructions, you know, how to do the unpacking, if you like. So we will try and follow the instructions as best we can. And it also says that this is the front. Right, move the screen about. Right, first things first, cut the straps on. Now, you might be wondering why I bought another TV. Well, my 55-inch that I use in my living room, it started getting some black lines going down it, and I thought that's on its way out. I did try and reset it and things like that, but nothing worked. So it's definitely on its way out. And before anyone asks, yes, I did check, make sure it wasn't the actual unit it was plugged into, like my Virgin TV box. It is definitely with the TV itself, because I have 3 sats built into it and it's got the same lines on it in exactly the same places. But when I've done the actual test, I couldn't see the lines, but the test might have been misleading. So QLED, it's my first QLED, I believe. Billion plus shades of vivid colour. A4 4K upscaler. So it's not actually 4K then, it's upscaled. Apparently, that's what it says there. Right, let's do some cutting. What's it say? ETX, images, blah blah blah, so we need blah blah. Oh, you've got to cut it from the bottom. Take this off first. So far so good. Yeah, you need to cut it down there according to this. So I'm going to put it on its side. It's already coming out. Oh, okay. So have I just got to lift it? I have. Well, that makes it easier. There you go. That was quite easy actually. A lot easier than I thought it was going to be to unpack it. Now we have, let me get rid of these. Right, see me? So we have some little feet, which I will be using. We get 2 of them. We have a remote control. Now, I did watch a video on this and they said the remote's nothing special, but it has some nice little shortcuts on it. YouTube, Netflix, Freely. I'm not sure what Freely is, but apparently it's supposed to be quite good. We'll be looking into that. Some energy saving, category E, probably not very good. Battery for your remote. Some brackets or mounting screws for mounting it on the wall, stuff like that. A plug. You need a plug. UK plug, perfect. So it's just a standard 2-pin connection, which you would expect. And we have user manual, which is enormous or thick, and some information on the back on using sound bars and stuff like that. And European guarantee. Put these up here, out of the way. Now, I'm sure that you're going to want to know about all the different connections on the back. So I'm going to put the feet on first, and then we'll go through the back. Right, so apparently you can't put these on the wrong way round. They can only go that way. They won't even go that way because it won't fit. There's a little slot there, a little T-shape, upside down T-shape. So it can only go like that. So you want the little Phillips screws, or posi screws, whatever you want to call them. One in there. Right, so we have power on the left hand side, so power goes in that side only. We have LAN connection and digital audio, that is digital out for audio. Now starting from the top, we have a USB connection, that is number 1, headphone socket, AV in, we have HDMI number 1, and that is, it says there 60 Hertz 4K or 4K 60 Hertz. And then we have HD2, says the same, HD3, we have antenna, and we have a satellite connection, plus another USB. So we have 2 USBs, 3 HDMIs, and 2 options for signal in or out. And we have a slot for service, service slot. And that is it. Now I'm going to swap it over with my old TV, hopefully, anyway. Massive, isn't it? But I can pick it up on my own. So this is my old TV. As you can see, there's some black streaks running down it near the green ball, going down towards the white or to the left of the white, and also from the yellow as well. The yellow ball going down to the red balls. Oh, we're using an app. Right, it says step 1, connect to the internet, done. Give location access, done. Agree to data policy, done. Create a vCloud account, I haven't done. Begin setup. Oh. PIN, please enter this verification code on your smart device. Ethernet connected. That's okay. Postcode. Okay. I'm not showing you all this. You can have Amazon, Alexa or Vidid voice. I'm going for Vidid. Update. Oh look, it's working. Freely live TV. Update. See if there's any updates. Password saved. That's good. Alright, so you can do everything. You can do everything through here. You don't have to use the remote. Oh, cool. I like that. One remote. Tap anywhere to proceed. Oh, I see. Does that work? Oh yeah, it does work. Look, top right. Oh, bargain hunt. Right, let's go to Netflix. See if that works. Oh, it does. I've done that on now. Now, something to bear in mind. This is only 60 Hertz. They do a 144, I believe, but I just got the 60 Hertz. $5.99. Now I need just to sign in, don't I? So we want the remote. There you go. Sign in. I'm going to do this bit offline. Have a look, play, back in a second. Right, so I've had to place a bit of wood, or 2 bits of wood actually, on top of my unit because the unit is not quite long enough to support these legs, and it was just on the edge. And I thought, I can't leave it like that, it's just too close. One little movement, it's going to fall over. So I put these bits of wood here for now, and I've ordered a piece of glass, tempered glass, and I'm going to place that along there. It's going to be, I believe I've ordered a grey one. It's going to go across, be on top of this unit, and hopefully, well, it should be long enough to support the legs in a safe way. I thought, oh my God, that is too close for comfort. Anyway, getting back to the TV. It does some good information. It actually tells you what it's actually running at when you're in the right picture mode, which is not now. But when you're watching something, you press the info button and it'll tell you, you know, you're running at 60 Hertz and it's running at 4K. And yeah, I thought it was really good. Picture quality is excellent straight out of the box. I've done no adjustments whatsoever on picture quality. The only downside that I can find is, at the moment, my headphones, they won't work with the TV speakers. You can't have the TV speakers on and the headphones on at the same time, if that makes sense. My headphones are plugged into the digital audio out. You can either have digital audio out, or you can have the speakers on. You can't have both, which my Samsung TV, the one with the lines down it, you could plug in your headphones and have the speaker audio out. Sticking with the audio out, I was very impressed with the actual audio out. Yeah, very good. Normally something like TV speakers are not really that good, but I found them quite pleasant. And the digital audio was even better. Yes, it's definitely an improvement from my Samsung TV. Nothing wrong with my Samsung TV, except for it's old and it's got a couple of streaks on it. You know, and someone might be able to fix it, you don't know. I can't fix it, and I'm not going to try and fix it. But I will try and sell it, make a bit of money back, hopefully, to pay for this little baby. 65 inches, it is massive. Yeah, 65 inches is very big, and picture quality is pucker. I've been watching some YouTube videos, and yeah, very enjoyable, especially the 4K demos. Now, some of the things I did notice on colouring, sticking with colour feature, there is a bit of bleed through. You can see light coming through on the blacks, so it's not perfect blacks, so that might put some people off. But overall, it definitely gets my thumbs up, and I'm glad I bought it, and I can't believe how cheap it was. It's £529. Yeah, £529, and ordered it on Amazon and it turned up within 3 days. And the other thing I liked about it was the setup. It was very easy to set up, connect all my devices like my Prime videos, Netflix, things like that. Just took less than 10 minutes to do them all. Yeah, very pleased with it. So with that, as always, links in the video description below. If you're thinking about buying one, I'll recommend this. It's not perfect. You know, like I said, there's a bit of bleed on the actual blacks. It's good for most people, unless you're looking for perfection. But then you're going to pay a lot of money for that, aren't you? So with that, if you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, click on the bell for notifications, and give this video the thumbs up. Thanks very much for watching.